fingers. Okay, what are you doing?
Making chicken strips.
Say night night chicken.
Night night chicken.
Good. Dip it. Both sides. Good. Then you drain it. You drain it a little bit. Good.
Back in the flour.
Back in the flour.
One more. Two more, please. Like Goya.
Yep. And then layer down. Nice work. Good job.
Can I see the video of me after Medley does everything?
Yes, I'll put them both up. Proud of you girls. You're going to make fine cooks. You were taught by the master.
Night night chicken.
Night night chicken. Time to go for a swim.
Swim.
Drain. Good.
Go back in the flour and sweeping it off.
That's right.
Back in the flour. I can't bring back to night night chicken.
Okay, now shake it off. Okay, good. Now lay it down. Yeah! Good job, Medley!
One more.
One more. No, don't lick your fingers. Trust me. The chicken can make you very sick if you get it in your mouth before it's cooked. Okay? Say, chicken got germs.
Chicken's got germs.
Yep, we don't want the germs in our mouth.
I can night this chicken.
That's right. Good job. Now shake it off.
Now shake it off. And time to go for a swim. Back in the egg. Now back in the flour.
That's right. Night night.
Night night. Now shake it off. Now weigh it down.
Yay! Good job, Medley. Okay, what's next? Wash your hands. Yeah, let's go.